Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to show you how to use a 5-gallon bucket to create a swivel seat with a screw top for dry storage. This is perfect for hunting, seating while hunting. Now I've used this bucket as my dry storage seat for a couple of seasons in my duck hunting blind. I just added a cushion and it was fairly comfortable and great storage. That screw top is available on Amazon. You can use any manufacturer, it really doesn't matter. But I wanted to add a swivel top. The only problem is the swivel seats, the cushioned swivel seats, don't come with a screw top. So they're not easily removable and they don't have that quick access dry storage capability. So I got this swivel top, and this video is just a very simple adaptation of attaching both lids together. It's not rocket science. The swivel top comes in two parts with a center screw. You just remove that center screw and you basically separate the top cushion from the bottom lid. And then I ended up drilling 4 holes through that lid and also 4 holes through the screw on top on the existing lid. And then I just used stainless steel bolts with lock nuts to attach both of those lids together. In that screw top lid, I also had to drill a center hole to allow access to the center screw, so that I'm going to be able to still screw the cushioned section back onto the top. So a total of 5 holes. Added 4 stainless steel screws with lock nuts, screwed that the 2 lid assembly back onto the cushion, and now I've got a dry storage container with easy access screw on top, and then I've also got a fairly comfortable cushioned seat that allows me to swivel in my duck hunting blind. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a whole bunch of hunting, especially duck hunting related do-it-yourself projects on there. Thank you very much for watching.